Hey everybody, Brad with Phoenix Bats. Today I'm going to talk about the NP13. The NP13 is a great choice for you power hitters who are maybe looking for a little bit more balanced feel and better swing weight. It's also great for you gap hitters who want a power feeling bat but like the swingability of a balanced feel. Unlike the R318, the NP13 gets more and more balanced as you get closer to the knob. The NP13 comes with a 2 17/32 inch larger barrel and transitions into a 15/16 inch handle. It then flares very quickly at the end into the knob to catch your hand. The NP13 comes in a negative 2.5 length to weight ratio, so you can grab this bat and let the ball fly. Get your NP13 today. Phoenix Bats, we've got your bat.